So this is the opening and preview of the Tapo Pan-Tilt Home Security Wi-Fi camera set, the Tapo C210. These are 2K resolution, motion detecting, tracking security cameras for your home. So these are indoor security cameras. Again, I'm going to stress to everybody, indoors please, because I don't want to be blamed if you stick them outdoors and the weather ruins them. So indoors. We're also going to go over a few of the things that are on the box. Then we're going to look inside the box and see what we got. This is, again, a preview before we do the review. This has person detection, baby crying detection. So if you do have infants at home, toddlers or whatnot, this should be able to pick up on the cries. And also, which I'm actually impressed, night vision up to 40 feet. I'm excited to try these out. And these are 2K resolution, higher than 1080, of course lower than 4K. But what I really appreciate about these is the price. And we'll get into that in the review. So you actually get the video definition is 2K, field of view is 360 degrees horizontal. You can actually move these with the app. You do have audio, two-way built-in microphone and speaker, and night vision up to 40 feet. Wireless protocols 802.11, B, G, and N. A DC power input, so these are plug-ins. These aren't operated on battery. Now on the back, we'll take a look here. So the features, as you can see, person detection, you have night vision up to 40 feet, two-way audio, baby crying detection. This is important, folks. Okay, here we have local micro SD storage, absolutely valuable. So you can store videos utilizing a micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes. So that's half a terabyte. 512 gigabytes of video on this micro SD card on these cameras is actually pretty good. I also read up on these customizable block zones. So you can set customizable block zones to keep private areas from being monitored. Also 2K definition provides more crisp details, and that should be helpful if you ever have to play back video, give it to the police, authorities, or whatever in case something happens. And then you have the 360 degree horizontal range field of view. And cloud storage is supported. You can store videos using the cloud storage services. There is an app for Tapo. So we will get into that in the full review. Let's now get into opening these things. This box here. Ooh, a little bit of AMSR. A little bit of ASMR for you, for those that like it. Ah, yeah. Pulling back the plastic. Ooh. Let's do that. Oh, yeah. Is that satisfying? I hope so. All right. And there we go. Ditch this and ditch these. Now let's go ahead and open the box. See what we got. Aha. First things first. Quick start guide. Very important. I actually do read these. So I hope you do as well, because it saves you a lot of time and headache. And let's open the box here. See what we have. Cool. Get rid of the box. So we have that. Some packaging. So these, which we'll find out what these are at some point. General public license notice. Another quick start guide for everybody to take a look at here. Well, these look like mounts. So actually it's pretty cool. It looks like you're able to screw these into the wall or wherever you're going to mount them. And we have our plug-in adapters for the wall. You get two of those, I hope. And we have, look at this. Very thoughtful. So as I had stated earlier, yes, so you can screw these into the wall, and they give you all the hardware that you need to do that to make it a lot easier for you. Now let's take a look at the cameras. We'll take out one camera. Oh, look at that. Very neat. So right off the bat, I can see it does have the mounting for these. Put that in there and mount them on the wall. Or you can use them as a base. I'm gonna probably use it as a base sitting this way. So as you can see here, the camera tilts up and down and also goes side to side, from what I understand. So looking forward to testing these out. Very neat. Look, there's a speaker there. And your AC adapter plugs into that. So this is going to be fun. Get rid of that. It comes with 2 of these. Clean off some of that dirt there. These are the Tapo C210. They come from TP-Link. TP-Link is the parent company. That completes the unboxing for these. We will go ahead and get this review out to you as soon as possible. So give us some time to get these set up and put them through the paces and the test to make sure that they are just right for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.